welcome back to the channel. My name is Ian and it is good to see you. If you are new, welcome and hopefully you'll enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for the click, by the way. And you know what, it's so exciting right now because you are watching the very first episode of a new segment for my channel, which will be called Ian Shares a Recipe. That's right, you heard it right. I'm going to share with you some recipes that I love to cook, that I love to make. Did you know that I do love cooking? When I was in high school, when I was still trying to work out what to do with my life, becoming a chef was one of them. Yep, that was one of them, but I didn't end up as one because I knew how difficult it can be to be a chef. Like the work hours, the demands, everything. I just don't want to lose the passion for cooking. I just want to enjoy it for what it is, because if it becomes too much then I might just not like it anymore. I don't want that. Anyway, besides the point, let's get into today's menu. Today's recipe, that is. It's not going to be a dish, it's not going to be a meal, a savory dish. It's actually going to be a drink. And yeah, you've seen the title, it's going to be avocado shake or avocado smoothie, however you want to call it. For those of you who are Indonesian out there, and I am of an Indonesian background, it's called Jus Alpukat. So, you know, I'm gonna make my version of it, how I know it and how it was taught to me by my dad. That's right, this recipe is purely my own. People out there, you probably have done the same or have seen it, or you might go, what? That's not the way to do it. Anyway, really, it's just my own take. If you're gonna try it for yourself, then do so and hopefully you will enjoy it. So, what do we need? What do we need to make this amazing avocado shake? Obviously, we're gonna need to go outside and grab the avocado from the tree. But we won't do that because I don't have an avocado tree. Instead, I have been to a shop and grabbed an avocado. And then we will need sugar. After that, this is a secret ingredient. You're gonna need salt, just a pinch of it. And then you're gonna need some condensed milk. Well, what I'm holding right now, you may not be able to find it in a shop like Woolies or Coles or Aldi and places like that. It's a chocolate condensed milk. But to be honest though, if you don't have this, just use a chocolate syrup. It will do the trick. And we're not going to use too much of these. I will show you how we're going to use this. And I think you'll be impressed. And we're going to need condensed milk. Sweetened condensed milk. That's right. I'll talk to you more about this later when we actually make it. And last but not least, let me just go to the freezer. You need some ice, you know, just so that it can be crushed and shaken in, you know, you need some ice. So these are all the ingredients that you will need. If you want specifics, I'm going to post it down below and I'm going to write it up and make sure you have the list of what to get and the method as well. Or you can just rewind this video and watch it again, alright? Anyway, let's make it, huh? Let's do it. Let's do it. So let's put it together. It's really easy. You're gonna need a blender, or if you don't have a blender, it's actually going to be okay, because before this I had a stick blender. So you just put it on the glass and then you just put it all together and mash it. It's like a mashed avocado. The first thing that I'm gonna put in the blender, I gotta keep the ice cold, is the ice. Alright, it's about a cup of it, and this is probably going to be single serve or even shareable for a little portion, okay? Followed by the avocado. This is good avocado. Followed by 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now, it is up to you on how sweet you want to make it. So with the sugar, even though I'm saying right now it's 2 tablespoons, you can add it or you can have it less. And now, similar to the sugar, the condensed milk. This is entirely up to you again. I'm just doing it very rough here. You can see how much I put in, but you just look at the mix and how sweet you want to make it. This condensed milk will just make it a bit creamy and sweet as well. So this is just how I like it. Oh, beautiful. Let's see. Let's stop there. Alrighty. And a secret ingredient, it's just a pinch of salt. Literally a pinch of salt in there. Now, what are we going to do with this? Chocolate condensed milk. I will show you in a bit after we blend this up. Before that though, here is another thing that you can add into this mix, and it is personal preference yet again, and I think it's also cultural. You know how a lot of recipes are just different? You know, for example, there are different types of beef rendang. Malaysian have its own version, Singaporean have their own version, the Indonesians have their own version. Even within Indonesia, the different islands would have their own version. So it's culturally influenced, and also just based on your environment and the people around you and how you know the recipe to be. Same thing with this. My dad have also added some coffee shots into the avocado. Maybe because he likes coffee and it's just a personal thing. And I know there are some of his friends or some people I know that don't usually do that. So yeah, it is entirely up to you. But if you want to experiment for yourself, then there's no stopping you, okay? I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. Okay, and depending on how thick you want it to be, you can add a bit more water or milk. It's up to you, okay? And it is good to go. Let's switch it on. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. It's smooth. So I've got this glass now that I'm going to present it in. Okay, so this is where the chocolate is coming. The chocolate syrup or the chocolate condensed milk, if you have access to it. You're just going to drizzle it around the glass. Let me just open this up first. You are going to do this. Let me show you some magic. It's about presentation, guys. It's about presentation. So you're just going to drizzle it like that. Look at that. Twirling it around just like that. And then I'll get some more. Alright. Now that your glass looks like that, drizzled by the chocolate syrup or the chocolate condensed milk, and then you tip this thing in. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, I gotta say, I think this video is a success. Because had I failed this, I'm not gonna do another take. Well, here you go. Avocado shake ready to go. Check it out. I'm gonna come around the bench and show you a close-up. Whoa, whoa. Or I can just do B-roll. I ran out of straws. I don't actually have one. Couldn't find it around the house, so I'm just gonna do this. And sorry if my mouth's gonna be messed up. You know what? I think it's a perfect mix because it's not too sweet, and yeah, you can still taste the avocado and it's not dominated by the sweetness of the condensed milk or anything like that. if you have a spoon, let me just grab a spoon. You can also stir it up so the chocolate glaze will mix around, just like that. Alright, so as you keep on sucking it, if you have a straw or I just have a spoon, you can taste a bit of the chocolate. Oh, yeah. It's perfect. It's good. If you like this video, make sure you click like, and if you want other people to learn on how to make this amazing version of my avocado shake smoothie, then share the video, and don't forget, before you leave, click subscribe, because that will be great just for my own personal confidence. And yeah, thanks for watching. I've enjoyed shooting this. It was a lot of fun. It was different. And if you enjoyed this segment as well, yeah, let me know. I'll see you next time. Hey, betcha you will. And I will see you and you will see me. Alright? Bye.